What's up, everyone? Today we are gonna do a weekly overview on Bitcoin and the overall market in crypto. And we are also gonna look at some altcoins with potential for the coming week or weeks. Alright, let's get into it. We are going to the chart. We are first going weekly. As we discussed yesterday, I showed what I think where we are in the market. As for now, we found support at this yellow line at 42k. We have a weekly candle that is bullish. As long as we stay above 42k, I only see bullish momentum coming for the coming days, weeks. In my opinion, we will break 45k, 46k, this yellow line, we will break it. And then we will go to the upside to retest the current resistance of 52k. And then we're gonna see, do we reach above or not? Or we will get a bit hard here, maybe break out close above, then come retest, maybe come retest here. The possibilities are endless in Bitcoin. We never know, no one knows for sure where are we heading. So make sure to count in every situation. As you can see, I draw it from here. We will have bullish momentum until 52k. Then maybe we get it hard. Maybe we break through. But I don't think so. I think we will get it a bit hard here. Then we will retest and then we will go back up to break this resistance and then come test this resistance to maybe potentially break it in the longer term. So for now, what I'm watching is, are we breaking down below 42k? We are back again at bearish price action. If we are breaking above 46k, we have bullish price action. So for now, I'm watching this. Now, if we go watch at the daily, I'm looking at the daily. As you can see, this was my point of interest to buy. This for me was a bottom. Why? If you look in the past, you can see here 30 July, 28, 25 July, we broke this. In 21, we broke it. Now we came and retested after months, 7 months or something. So for me, this was a very good moment to buy in. I'm not buying very big, because if you know, in the longer term, you will see lower prices than 32k in my opinion. This is the current support now. But in this year, maybe we will break this. I think that. But we will see what price gives. We never know. So, you can see this was a point of interest where we accumulated Bitcoin and then it broke through and now we retested. That's why this was a point of interest for me. This is just to show why I was looking at this point to buy in. Also for some altcoins, it was a good point to scale in some altcoins. Alright, now we are ranging between this range. Like I say, we need to break on the daily 46k. So my target for now is 46k. That's like 5%. If we move 5% in Bitcoin now, we hit 46k. Let's see if we break it. But we are in the making of a move of 10 to 30% in Bitcoin. Then we can go heading, if you can see here, this first move, this is a low move, then we go up and then we go down. This ABC move, wave, this is a bearish move that I'm looking at. But if you are looking for bullish, I was looking at this, to 52k, stay above, retouch the current resistance, maybe break a bit through it, then we will retest this support again. So as you can see, for now, what I was looking at is this move. We are moving to the A move. We are coming to this resistance. This is a long-term move that I'm looking at. We hit 52k as a resistance. Maybe we break a bit through it. Then we will retest possibly 46k, but I'm looking at 42k. And then we will head up back again to this range. This range is for me a range to take profits. This time I'm going to take profits and I'm going to let the market do what it needs to do. Because I'm truly sure that we will see lower prices in this year or begin next year. So please keep that in mind. As for now, I'm now watching the price action daily and weekly just to see where we are moving. So if you can see, in the next coming days, I just see bullish movement price action in the market. So that was it for Bitcoin technical analysis. Now we're gonna do a market overview in crypto. Let's see. We have the full market capitalization is at 2 trillion. So we're heading back to 3 trillion. If you're going back to 3 trillion, you can say 50% of the whole market will go up again. So it needs 50% of the whole market. That's a lot. That's a lot. We lost a lot. But that's normal. Every market has it. A market cannot keep going up. It always needs to come back to reset to go to higher prices. It's just money in, money out. Once you get that, you will understand better why prices move like that. And then you will less buy on hypes or on FOMOs or on bullish candles. It's better to buy at bearish candles. But yeah, you learn everything with time and experience. So for now, if I'm looking at the market, which coins do interest me? A coin to keep an eye on is Phantom. You should definitely keep an eye on Phantom. It's a layer 1 blockchain. They are building a lot of DeFi on it. You have a lot of staking, passive income possibilities on the Phantom ecosystem. So check it out. Another one that I'm checking right now to keep an eye on for the coming weeks, days. That's Terra Luna. This is a very good ecosystem. I myself use this ecosystem. I really like it. You have a lot of opportunities for passive income, staking. You can get airdrops. You can do a lot, and I will make a video separately about this one, Luna Terra, because I'm a huge fan. I really like what they're doing. I also like their UST stablecoin that's built in their ecosystem. It's an algorithmic stablecoin. You can trust it a lot more than Tether. If we take a look, yeah, this too, I'll also keep in mind XRP and Cardano. Cardano, why do I like Cardano? There's so many coins of Cardano staked. I should look for the statistics, but it's a truly decentralized coin. It's going slow, I know. A lot of people think it's going very slow, this and that, but if you just stick with it and you have time and you have the vision and you trust in the community of Cardano, they have a very strong community. They're also making NFTs now. They're now stepping in the NFT. I will show a bit more about that in the future. But for now, we just stick with this. It's a decent buy now at this price. It's like 65% from all-time high. XRP, I'm a big fan from day one. I'm into crypto. I bought this. This is one of the first altcoins I bought. For me, it's not an altcoin. It's a coin that have real utility use case in the world. And there's so much more about XRP. There's so much more behind it. So don't listen to the mass of people. Also with the lawsuit and shit. Sorry, excuse my language. But the lawsuit and things, it's all to like make people doubt it, fear, uncertainty, doubt. They're just playing with your emotions. The moment that XRP is really gonna have its utility in the real world, what it should have, then the price is gonna explode in my opinion, and then you will not have the time to buy in at these low prices like now. So if you are an XRP believer and you're thinking of buying it, you should definitely look into it and start accumulating a bit. But this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Solana, this one also, I know this is the top 10. This is not going to do 100x or something. But I'm showing you fundamental good altcoins that have really good potential in the future. So definitely take a look at it. Solana is very good. In my opinion, the only thing I use Solana for now is for the Solana NFTs. I think they're very undervalued compared to Ethereum NFTs. So definitely keep an eye on Solana. This is a very good project and it has a lot of potential. They're developing a lot, so definitely keep an eye on it. Now, to talk about just the market overview, as you can see, we went a bit sideways last days. Nothing special, nothing big, nothing high, nothing low. Just normal sideways action. It's a good time to accumulate, and I think a lot of people are doing that now. But if you look, you see Pancake Swap also coming in the top 100. This one, also keep an eye on Nexo token. I'm using Nexo, I'm using their services. I will make an upcoming video about this. How you can take a loan, how you can stake your money there, how you can earn interest, and all those kind of things. This is a very interesting project. This is centralized exchange. This is CeFi. It's centralized. So it's CeFi, so it's centralized finance. It's not decentralized finance, but it's a very nice company, Nexo, and I like them. So definitely take a look at it. For now, I'm gonna leave this for today. There's nothing much to say. We don't have much movements. But just remember, every Wednesday at 12 p.m. Central Time, I will be updating a video about this. Bitcoin technical analysis plus a current market overview on the crypto market and which altcoins I'm looking at to accumulate or to hold for the longer term. Alright, people, have a nice day. Take care. Let me know. Comment, subscribe, like, and let me know what you think about the video. See you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.